Hi everyone, I'm Ke-Zai. My dad is AOKE and my mom is Hui. Every morning, I wake up in a 50,000 square meter modern manufacturing center, where over 500 big brothers and sisters greet me with good morning. But I'm not happy just because of my wealth. I have a bigger dream. I want every height adjustable desk to be a guardian of our health. Come on, let me take you on a little tour of the workshop, so you can see how our office wellness marvel is born. Check this out. Our proud core tech, the linear drive system. Starting from this heart to the desk frame, desktop, and the electronic controls, we independently develop every part of the supply chain. Every single screw is meticulously inspected, and every process is executed with precision, striving for perfection. We've really invested heavily in technology, R&D, and production equipment, state-of-the-art automated production lines, and the most precise testing machinery, all to create products that make everyone go wow. From R&D to production, from sales to service, we've embedded quality, talent, technology, and innovation into our DNA. When we do something, we do it the best. That's our attitude. Now, let's see where's Ke-Zai jetting off to today. The windmills in the Netherlands creak. The palm trees in Thailand rustle. The aroma of Kung Fu tea drifts through Foshan. Malaysia's Twin Towers sparkle, and in the Middle East. And in the Middle East, camel bells jingle in the desert. We've got secret bases in all these places. I want the whole world to know. Sitting all day is so out. Switching between sitting and standing is the new cool. Roll with Ke-Zai. Say goodbye to sleepy work days. Stay healthy, work efficiently, enjoy all day. Our mission, let the world stand up straight with me.